Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. First, go to your profile by clicking the profile icon at the top right corner. Find the post that you want to disable comments. In your post, click the three dots at the top right corner. Tap Edit Privacy. Select it into Public. Then go back, click the icon More at the bottom. Then tap Who can comment on this post. Select profile and pages you mentioned. Then that's it. They will not be able to comment unless you mention them in your post. And that's how you turn off comments on Facebook posts. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.